Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize time management with Toggl, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your time management with Toggl, first, visit Toggl's official website and sign up for a free account. Once you have created your account, log in to access the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. On the dashboard, locate the timer button. To start tracking a task, click on the timer and enter a brief description of the task. Select a relevant project or create a new one if necessary. Hit the Start button to begin tracking the time you spend on this task. While working, you can pause or stop the timer as needed. If you forgot to start the timer, click the Add Time Entry option. Input the duration and necessary details for the task you completed. After finishing your tasks for the day, navigate to the Reports section. Here, you can analyze how much time you spent on different tasks or projects. Use the filtering options to view metrics by date, project, or tags. To enhance your productivity, create project categories and assign tasks accordingly. Set reminders to ensure you stay on top of your tasks. Integrate Toggl with other tools you use for ease of access and better workflow. Consider utilizing the keyboard shortcut feature for quicker time entry. Lastly, regularly review your reports to identify areas for improvement and optimize your time management strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.